Hello everybody, today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Zybio Cholesterol enzymatic method, a chemistry product. Here we can see the brand name Zybio product cholesterol enzymatic method, a chemistry product. This is a front view of this product. On the top we can see cholesterol, total cholesterol kit enzymatic method. This kit contains 30 ml, reagent 1 30 ml into 3. Reagent 2 contains 7.5 ml into 3. A reference number 01.02.10.EC.01. Then lot number, manufacturing date and expiry date. Instruction manual inside this kit. This is a C-certified IVD product. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature of this kit. Manufacturing address also there. Zybio International. It is manufactured from Republic of China, so the origin of the kit is Republic of China. This is the overall top view. On this side we can see the brand name Zybio. On this side we can see the product chemistry. This is a chemistry product. On this side we can see the brand name Zybio. This is the overall view of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking, I am going to take this out reagents. After all the products take out this box, I am going to see the first one of instruction manual, Zybio instruction cat number for 01090210 EC01 30 ml into 3, 1.5 ml into 3 for Zybio EXE200 or 220 systems. Here we can see the intent use, summary, principal, components and concentration, so and other stuff there. I'm going to keep this aside. And next one is the Zybio cholesterol. Reagent 1 30 ml into 3 and reagent 2 Zybio cholesterol 7.5 ml into 3. So here we go for summary. Today we can see about Zybio cholesterol total cholesterol kit, reagent 1 30 ml into 3 and reagent 2 7.5 ml into 3, and also one instruction also there. Here we can see the reagent 1 and reagent 2. This is the overall view. Thank you.